Have you ever noticed that there's been a growing trend in the construction or renovation makeover content videos recently? Turning an abandoned or underused space into something great. But most viewers, including myself at first, don't realize that it was actually been done by artificial intelligence, AI. Well, in this video, I would like to show everyone how it's done in a very few simple steps. For this tutorial, we will only be using two tools, which are ChatGPT and Grok AI. You will need to generate a prompt, which I will be sharing to you all in the link below, and copy this first prompt to be pasted into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate multiple scenes or scenarios for you to choose from. Once it finished generating the ideas for you, you can then look at which ideas is suitable for your content. In our case, we will be choosing number 6 for this tutorial. Then head over to our prompt words and copy the second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Before clicking enter, notice that there is a selected ideas and number of sequential brackets. Here, copy the selected idea title and paste it into the bracket. As for the sequential number, I would prefer to go for 4 for this tutorial. But it will be up to you. You could go for any numbers you want for this and click generate. Let the master do its work. So after this process, ChatGPT will create 4 types of scene prompt for us, which we will be then using these prompts in Grok AI. Now let's head over to Grok AI to change one simple and impactful settings. And head over to the account settings and look for behavior. Under the behaviors tab, you are required to disable the enable automatic video generation. This step is a must. Then, we head back to ChatGPT and look for the Scene 1 prompt. Copy it and bring it over to Grok AI. Look for the Imagine tab and ensure that your setting is in 9:16, which is portrait mode, since we will be doing a shorts video for this example. Then paste the prompt here and hit enter. Grok AI will take less than a minute to generate the video. And this is our example for Scene 1. You will then need to pause right before the end of this video and copy the video frame. Once copy, head back to the Imagine main tab, paste the frame in the box below, and copy the second scene prompt from ChatGPT into the tab for Grok AI to generate the second video scene. So by repeating the whole process of this for Scene 1 till 4, you would then have the full video to be merged and edited using your preferred video editing software. This would be the end result for our tutorial using the prompt in the description below. There may be some adjustments needed to be done during the editing. If you like the content, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.